How to fix Cash App. Sponsor request limit reached. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to fix the sponsor request limit reached issue on Cash App. First, launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. Once you're on the home page, tap the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen to access your account settings. This will take you to the Cash App profile page. From here, scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap on the option labelled Support. This is the Cash App support page, where you'll find several categories designed to help resolve different problems. From the list of options, tap on Account and Settings. You'll then be redirected to a new page with additional options related to your account. Next, tap on Sponsored Accounts. A new page will appear showing information and help topics related to sponsored accounts. Scroll to the bottom of the page and under the Support section, tap on the option named Chat. The Cash App chat window will load up as shown here. In this chat box, type a brief message explaining that you've hit the sponsor request limit and need assistance. Once done, send the message and allow the support team some time to get back to you. They will respond with a solution. I hope this tutorial has helped you resolve your issue. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, that is how to fix Cash App sponsor request limit reached.